This video is presented to you by www.testprepadda.com. Students, in the previous session of sets, I talked about subsets. In this session, I am going to talk about subsets of real numbers. In mathematics, real number is a value that represents a quantity along a continuous line. I will show you. Consider this line. This is origin or zero, you say, minus infinity to plus infinity. All the quantities on this continuous line belong to real numbers. Now, if I talk about subsets of real numbers, different subsets of real numbers are: first one, set of natural numbers. Set of natural numbers. We write this as n is equal to. You can see I have written these natural numbers in tabular form. Now, natural numbers, they come naturally. Like when we say three friends, we say two pens, three pens, four pens. We never say 1.5 pens. We say two trees, three trees, four trees. We never say 1.3 trees. Got it? So, natural numbers, they come naturally. Now, set of whole numbers. Second, set of whole numbers. You can see whole numbers. First of all, we write this with the W, and that is equal to, again I have shown here in tabular form. You can see we need to add 0 to natural numbers to get whole numbers. Okay, so natural numbers we can say as the subset of whole numbers. Each element of natural numbers, you can see, say each element of set natural numbers is there in set of whole numbers. That is why I have written n is a subset of W. Got it? And this set of natural numbers, this is the subset of real numbers also. So I can write n is a subset of R. And this W is also subset of R. So I can write W is subset of R. Next I'll talk about set of integers. Another subset of real numbers. Set of integers. You can see set of integers. I write this with Z or I. Now, set of integers include the negative natural numbers and whole numbers. Set of integers includes what? Whole numbers and negative natural numbers. So what can we say? We can say natural number as the subset of integers. Same way, whole number is the subset of integers, and set of integers, this is the subset of real numbers. Got it? Now I'll talk about another subset of real numbers, set of rational numbers. Rational numbers we write with Q. Set of rational numbers Q is equal to all values of x such that x is equal to p by q. P and q belong to integers and q is not equal to 0. The denominator should not be equal to 0. Otherwise, the term will become not defined. Okay. For example, if I take 1 by 5, this we put in the category of rational numbers. 2 by 5, we put this in the category of rational numbers. Okay. So, actually all the integers we can put in rational numbers. All the fractions we can put in rational numbers. Okay. Now set of irrational numbers. Another subset of real numbers. Set of irrational numbers. We write this with letter T, and that T is equal to, for all values of x such that x belongs to R and x does not belong to Q. Q means set of rational numbers. Got it? Actually, irrational number means all real numbers that are not rational. All real numbers that are not rational means R minus Q can be said as set of irrational numbers. Got it? Now, the decimal representation of irrational number is non-terminating and non-repeating. Let me write non-terminating and non-repeating. While rational numbers involve terminating decimal, or non-terminating but repeating decimal. For example, if I write root 2 is equal to 1.4142135. You can see root 2 is non-terminating and non-repeating. And that is why we put root 2 in the category of irrational numbers. Similarly, root 3 value is 1.7320508. Again, you can see root 3 is non-terminating. The decimal part is non-terminating and non-repeating. Now, if I write pi, it is 3.1415926. Again, you can see the decimal part is non-terminating and non-repeating. So, root 2, root 3, pi, all these numbers belong to set of irrational numbers. While if I talk about terminating decimal or non-terminating but repeating. For example, if I write 2 by 5, it is 0.4. So it is terminating. Okay, now similarly, if I write 2 by 3, it comes 0.6666. It will continue. So you can see, although the decimal part is non-terminating but repeating. Okay, so we write this as 0.6, and here we write over bar. This over bar indicates that the digit is repeating. Got the idea? If I take 3 by 7, if you try to find the value, it comes 0.428571, Now you can see this 428571. This is repeating. So the decimal part is repeating. So we put this in the category of rational numbers. And if we want, we can write this as 0.428571, and we use over bar. This indicates that this is repeating. Got the idea? So the basic difference between rational numbers and irrational numbers. Rational numbers, rational numbers include the decimal part, which is terminating, or if it is non-terminating, it will be repeating. While in case of irrational numbers, they involve decimal part, non-terminating, and non-repeating. Got the idea? So here we talked about different subsets of real numbers. At the end, what can we write? Natural numbers, subset of R. Natural numbers can also be said as subset of whole numbers, and whole number subset of real numbers. N and W, natural numbers and whole numbers, both we can say subset of integers, and set of integers, it is a subset of real numbers. Got it? Now Q, set of rational numbers, again set of rational numbers, subset of real numbers. Set of irrational numbers, again subset of real numbers. But keep in mind, natural numbers, set of natural numbers is not the subset of irrational numbers. Natural numbers you can say subset of rational numbers, but not the subset of irrational numbers. Got the idea? Dear students, in the next video of sets, we will talk about alternate way to designate subsets of real numbers in the form of intervals. So in the form of intervals, we will designate the subsets of real numbers. Okay? This video is presented to you by www.testprepadda.com. testprepadda.com provides free audio-visual lectures of different subjects by expert faculties free online tests prepared by expert faculties to students who are preparing for engineering or medical entrance exams or planning to take exams like KVPY, Olympiad, etc. It provides a platform where students can interact with mentors to improve their performance in the exams. The mission of this online medium is to help students to achieve their goals. Log on to www.testprepadda.com to watch free video lectures on different topics, to download free revision notes, to take free chapter-wise online tests, progressive test, and mock test, to discuss doubts with mentors. Thank you for watching the video. To stay up to date with the latest videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on our Facebook page, Test Prep Adda. All the best.